Our train is departing from Liverpool Central Station, platform 2, in the down direction. The platform starting signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 27, situated to the left and accompanied by a route indicator. This signal is duplicated on the right by a coacting signal Mike Lima 27 Charlie Alpha, also with route indicator. When these signals are cleared with route indication D, a route is set to the down south port. When cleared with route indication U, a route is cleared to the up south port. We are routed to the up south port, maximum speed 15 miles per hour. Immediately beyond the signal is a tripcock test indicator. All stop signals in the tunnel sections are equipped with train stops, but not with AWS. This is Liverpool Central North Junction. We are now crossing to the up Southport line. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. Ahead is an advance warning indicator for an upcoming speed restriction of 15 miles per hour. Maximum speed now 15 miles per hour. We are entering Moorfields low-level station, platform 1. The platform starting signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal, Mike Lima 37. Maximum speed now 45 miles per hour. Stop signals in the open sections are equipped with AWS. The next signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal, Mike Lima 41. When this signal is cleared with junction indication position 1, a route is provided to the down Southport line at Leeds Street Junction. When the signal is cleared with no junction indication, the route is set to the up Southport line. This is Leeds Street Junction. We are entering Sandhills station, platform 1. The platform starting signal is a 3-aspect controlled signal, Mike Lima 55. When cleared with junction indication position 4, a route is provided to Kirkdale South Junction via the Up Ormskirk line. When cleared without junction indication, a route is provided to Bank Hall over the Up Southport line. Ahead is an advance warning indicator for an upcoming speed restriction of 35 miles per hour. Ahead is a second advance warning indicator for an upcoming speed restriction of 25 miles per hour of the Southport line only. Maximum speed to the Up Southport line 35 miles per hour. Maximum speed 25 miles per hour. We are entering Bank Hall Station, platform 1. The platform starting signal is a 2-aspect controlled signal, Mike Lima 59. When cleared with junction indication position 1, a route is provided to the Down Southport line. When cleared with junction indication position 2, a route is provided to the Down and Up Goods at Bootle Junction. This signal exhibits no proceed aspect without junction indication. Drivers of electric trains must not take a position 2 junction indication at this signal. Maximum speed 40 miles per hour. Maximum speed now 15 miles per hour. This is Bootle Junction. This junction marks the end of bidirectional working. We are now running on the Down Southport line.